guys, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So as you can tell by the title, this is an unboxing video, and this is, I probably say this in every video, but this is my most exciting unboxing yet. Like, I'm super excited to show y'all this. I didn't say anything until now. I was contacted by For You by Tia Mowry, you know, Tia Mowry, and the brand just launched January 30th, and I knew about it like at least 3 weeks before it launched, and that's what this video is. It's an unboxing of the products they sent me. I was reached out, I don't know if it was somebody on her team, just somebody on the marketing team, I don't know, but I was reached out by them and they literally sent me the whole line. And I know you can buy these products at Walmart. That's what I know for sure. I am just going to show y'all the box and we're going to get to it. Okay, so this is like the biggest freaking box I've ever gotten. But this is the box that was sent in. And then this is the box. I'm going to take it out of this big box. It says, For You by Tia. I know it look like up, but it's For You by Tia. And down here, healthy, strong, uniquely yours. This is my box. Pretty darn big. I want to post like a cute unboxing video on Instagram as well, so you may see that one first. I don't know, I gotta like figure out how to film it, which I gotta do later because I'm running short on time. Okay, y'all, so this is the box when I open it, and the box says your natural hair journey made simpler, Hemi 15 and our star ingredient, which is the Hemi. So I'm just going to like show y'all everything that's in there. I can't keep picking the box up and down. So I got sent a few cards. So this is Tia. Y'all know her. We kind of look alike, don't we? No, I'm playing. But yeah, For You by Tia. And then this is that. So I think obviously these cards are obviously a part of like the PR. You don't just get it. But it says, get ready to love your curls for what they are and what they can be. Healthy, strong, and uniquely yours. Oh, yeah. And I'm not going to read all that. I feel like that's just special to me. Even though she probably said this to a lot of people. But I'm like super excited. Here's another card. And that's her again. Science-backed, nature-made, totally clean. And I can't wait. But I will read this. Just a little bit of this. We teamed up with leading scientists and formulators to push our products to do the most with the fewest possible ingredients. We're proud to deliver biodegradable formulas crafted with sustainable ingredients, premium performance paired with gorgeous textures and scents. Hemi 15 is our award-winning patented hard-working hero ingredient made from sustainable sugarcane. It provides weightless nourishment to make curls pop without sacrificing moisture. Plus, Hemi 15 supercharges the natural ingredients we carefully selected for each product. The best of science meets the best of nature for high-performing solutions delivered with ease. And then this is like other girls from the launch or whatever. We're taking the guesswork out of hair care with simple, elevated products that work beautifully for every curl type. I follow her Instagram, the For You by Tia Instagram. It is catered to every hair type, type 2, type 3, and type 4. But this is how the first layer of the box is. And I'm just gonna take it out and like show it to y'all. This is that. And it comes with this multi-use hair oil right here, this curl refreshing mist, this leave-in curl cream, and finally this curl defining gel. This is the styling half of the launch, and I can't wait to use this. I'm going to be using this for wash and go. So you want to see all the information on that, you'll just have to stay tuned. This bottom half isn't really made to take out, but this is the shampoo and conditioners. So this is the hydrating moisturizing shampoo. Oh my God, let me smell it. I haven't smelled any of this stuff. Oh, it comes very sealed, very much sealed. It's a very clean, fresh scent. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting, you know, something, I don't know, fruity or something, but it says it gently cleanses and softens, and it has watermelon and Hemi Hemi 15. And then this is the moisturizing conditioner with hibiscus and Hemi 15. This is the clarifying shampoo, and it deeply cleanses and removes buildup. It has apple cider vinegar and Hemi 15. And then this is the lightweight conditioner. It gently moisturizes and detangles with sea moss and Hemi 15. Super cute. I'm so excited. I will be using one of the two duos, I don't know which one, for my actual Instagram reel. Probably I wanted to use the lightweight one, but I probably end up using the clarifying. I don't really know. Either way, at some point I'm gonna review both of them, and I'm just gonna go through the top half. I kind of showed it to you kind of quickly, but I'm gonna go ahead and go through it. This is the For You multi-use hair oil. It prevents breakage and adds sheen, and this has vitamin E and Hemi 15, and it's sulfate free and silicone free. That's very interesting. All of these are very like lightly scented. I like that. This is the Curl Refresh Mist. It hydrates and revives, and it has rosemary and Hemi 15. So I will be using this to refresh my wash and go. I don't know. The Instagram reel is going to be very condensed, obviously, and it's mostly probably just going to be the wash process and the styling and the finished product. And for everything else, like the refresh mist, I'll probably do like a whole video. I don't know. Oh, this is super cute. This is the leave-in curl cream. It soothes and smooths frizz and softly holds. It got flaxseed and Hemi 15. But look, I thought, you know, see the little hole? You twist it and it comes out. I'm gonna take just ooh. It feels very moisturizing in my fingers, y'all. And it's very lightly scented. Yeah, very lightly scented. And then this is the Curl Defining Gel. It delivers definition and shine, and it has aloe vera and Hemi 15. Very light and clean scent, y'all. Oh, I like that. It smells so good. But listen to this. Listen. It snaps, so make sure it's closed and you don't ever have to like worry about doing that, because if it's sitting up like this, it will stay down. But I'm super excited to try this. I'm putting everything back in the box. I'm trying to keep it looking right, for real. But I want to have more deets in the actual tutorial and on my Instagram. I just did this twist out using these products right here. And I'm gonna wear this for like a few days. This is day one. I just took it down. Thank you so much, whoever is on her marketing team or just her team in general. Thank you for seeing me and wanting to send this to me. And I know it's like for free promotion, like, so it's not like they just thought I was so wonderful, but I like that they peeped me and want to send it to me. Like, it makes me a little happy knowing that maybe Tia know I exist. Like, hey girl, hey. But yeah, that's it for this video. Again, follow my Instagram. It's on the screen and it's linked down below. And I also put For You by Tia's Instagram and website down below as well. So stay tuned. But yeah, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Share this video with a friend and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna see y'all in my next one. Stay tuned. Bye.